Welcome to my home lab. In this new video, I'm going to install Docker and Portainer on our OpenMediaVault 8 server. We start our video on the dashboard from our OpenMediaVault test server. See here, 192.168.129.108. First thing we need to do is to create a couple of shared folders. I have here a list. We create Docker, Docker Compose, Docker Data, Docker Backup, and Docker Storage. Behind, we go to Storage, Shared Folder. I have two from previous videos, Data and Home. We create a new one. Here, create. The name is Docker for the first one. We select our file system. In my case, it's the SDB1. Docker path for this one, that's okay. Read write, read only, it's okay for me. And the tag is Docker. Everything seems okay. And save. We have to apply. So click apply. Yes. Only a minute. And we have our first shared folder, Docker. Bring my list. The next one is Docker Compose. Copy the name. Move it beside. Create a new one. Docker Compose. The same file system, SDB1, but the relative path I call Docker Compose. So I put the Docker Compose shared folder inside the shared folder we created just a minute. Again, read write, read only, and the tag is Docker Compose. Everything seems okay, and save. Okay, again, apply. Yes, only a minute, and voila. See, you have Docker, and then inside this shared folder, we have our Docker Compose. Again, our list. The next one is Docker Data. Copy it, move it beside. Create new one. Copy it, Docker Data, the same file system, our SDB1. Again, we put it inside the Docker shared folder we created a moment ago. Again, read write, read only, it's okay. And Docker Data. The tag, it's only a name, so you can call it whatever you want. This one also, you can call it whatever you want. File system, it's up to you what's about your system. Again, everything seems okay. And save. Again, apply. Yes. Again, only a minute. And voila. So, Docker Compose, Docker Data. Again, Docker Data is inside Docker directory. Again, our list. The next one is Docker Backup. Create Docker Backup. Same file system. Again, inside Docker. The permissions are okay. And the tag is Docker Data Backup, sorry. Save it. Only a minute. Apply. Yes. Wait a minute. Okay, we have Docker, Backup, Compose, Data. Now the last one is Docker Storage. Again, copy it. Move it beside. Create new one. Paste it. same file system. Again, inside the Docker. Permissions are okay. And Docker storage. Everything seems okay. And we save it. Again, apply. Yes. Only 1 minute. Et voila. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 directories. For the last one, Docker storage, we have to copy the absolute path. Here. So click on copy to clipboard and paste it in for in a minute. Again, we move it beside. Next, I open command line. I do SSH root 192.168.129.108. So IP address from our OpenMediaVault server. Enter password. This is the root password, not the password from the dashboard. We go to the root directory, to ls all. You see we have a Docker directory. We go inside it. Again, ls all. Here you see our 4 directories: backup, compose, data, and storage. So everything is okay. We move it behind. The next step is to set up Docker. Therefore, we go to System, OMV Extras, and we select Docker repo. So please install the OpenMediaVault Compose to provide Docker functionality within the OMV web interface. So first, we go to plugins and we search for Docker. You see here OpenMediaVault Compose version 8.1.18. You have to select it, install it, confirm it. Yes. It's only going to take a moment. End of line. No errors. You can close it. You have to apply. Yes. Again, we wait a moment. I have speeded up the process, so it's quickly. Again, we go to System, OpenMediaVault Extras. You see here, Docker repo is installed. It's enabled. Now we go to Services, Compose, it's the new one. Open it, Settings. Here we have to give the shared folders. So the one for Compose, the one for data, the one for backup, Docker config, possibilities, Docker info, overrides, and cache. So first we select Docker Compose. We select it from the list. Docker Compose, root, again, read write, users no access and others no access, it's okay. Data, again, are Docker data, not data that's from another video. The new one, Docker data. Okay, now backup. Again, Docker backup. Parsing, that's okay. Docker config. We use shared folder. So I select it and we do Docker storage. Voilà. Everything rest is okay. You have here the version. So it's 5.29.5.2. Debian 30. Save it. And as normal, you have to apply it. Yes. Again, it's going to take a moment. So I speed up and come back when everything is okay. The configuration is okay. Settings are okay. We have files. Here we create our first Docker container. We add or we create a new one. We can do it manual, but for now we do it add from example. Click on it. We have a list. Portainer. See it here. Portainer. We have also Portainer agent and Portainer OpenMediaVault extras. We do that in a minute. We start with Portainer. Add example compose file. Portainer. Description. Add. Again, we apply. Yes. Et voilà. Everything is okay. Portainer is started, but it's still down. You have here to edit. You see here, we have the Docker compose file. We use our data directory. Create it in a moment. Ports, restart and last stop. Select it again. You can delete it. You can check if everything is okay. If we do that, the line, we can close it. We can start it. We can stop it. And we can do it down. We have other possibilities, but for now, up. Here, our image is downloaded and the Docker container is started. Again, I speed up the process, come back if everything is okay. End of line, no errors, so our Portainer is installed. Close it, et voilà. See it here. So now we can go to 9443 to access our Portainer container. Next step is to go to our IP address 192.168.129.108, port 9000. We have to create a new user. The first username is admin and we create a password. Confirm the password. Password is okay, see it here, and create user. Et voilà. We are at Portainer, the dashboard, and we can start. Get started. Et voilà. Our local here. As you can see, we have a new version 2.4.2. For the moment, we use 2.39 long-term support. But if you go look to our OpenMediaVault, our settings from our Portainer, you see here, we downloaded the long-time support, LTS. We are at the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, or leave a comment. Thank you very much and see you later.